Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Wellness Wednesday. Today, we will have a very simple practice, a very important practice, and it's all about staying centered when there are big changes in the world, when there's big changes in environments, and what may happen to us internally, what feelings it may bring up, and harmonizing those by very, very simple practice. We will use 36 breaths, the concept that we talk about in the art of jinshin often, because 36 is 9, 3 and 6 is 9, which is the end of a cycle to begin anew. And a very easy way to achieve that is by holding each of the fingers and palms when we use 3 breaths per finger. So let's jump into it right away, starting with the thumb and receiving and exhaling 3 breaths per finger. When you're done, you can move to the next finger as I'm guiding you through it. The thumb harmonizes worry. The function is skin surface. And on a depth level, the organ functions are related to it are stomach and spleen. So you will find your favorite finger and you can stay there a little bit longer or remember it for the next time you're practicing this. Or like I said, you can practice all and achieve the 36 breaths. 3, and moving to the next finger, the index finger. Harmonizing the emotion of fear, anxiety. The function of depth 4 is muscle, and the organs related to it are, organ functions related to it are bladder and kidney. Ending your 3 breaths and moving along to the next finger. Depth 3, the third cycle of energy. The function is blood, and the organ functions related to it are liver and gallbladder. Anger and frustration are the emotions related to the middle finger. And also middle finger harmonizes deep fatigue in the body. One of my favorite fingers. Finish your 3rd breath here and then moving along to the ring finger. Harmonizing the emotion of sadness and grief. So when we have sadness and grief coming up, it doesn't have to burden our organ flows, lung and large intestine. When we can move through it energetically, and then it won't manifest. So feel the feelings, and then you can harmonize them by practicing jinshin, so it doesn't get stuck in our bodies. The function is deep skin. And then moving along to our little finger, and again, you are going to find your favorite finger, like which one feels really comforting to you, and it's good to stay on that one. 3 breaths. Little finger harmonizes the emotion of efforting and trying too hard. So it's really just being authentic and allowing for things to happen instead of always trying too hard. The organ functions related to it are heart and small intestine. So the little finger is also wonderful for deep emotional projects. And maybe sometimes you feel you're holding your little finger like this, or in some way or form. And the function is our skeletal system. So wonderful for broken bones, or if you are accident prone. And then the palm, 3 breaths. The palm is all inclusive. All the energies move to the palm. The organ functions related to it are umbilicus and diaphragm. All inclusive, so the palm of the hand helps everything. Also, when we're tired, the umbilicus flow will give us a boost of energy. And then moving along to the other hand, our depth 1, When we hold the whole finger, we're harmonizing body, mind, and spirit, chest line, waistline, and hip line. The tip of the finger harmonizes chest line, the middle waistline, and the bottom hip line. So if you're holding the whole finger, you're harmonizing our whole body and spirit, mind, and body. Moving along to the next finger. So just notice if you feel the palm side of the finger more or the back. The palm side of the finger allows for our exhale and the back for the inhale. So again, holding your whole finger, you're harmonizing both. And then moving along to the next finger, the middle finger, for depth 3. And the inside of our finger here on this side, on the side to the thumb and the index finger, harmonizes our descending energy. And this side, our ascending energy. So there's so much study in our fingers. Simply holding the fingers is powerful and dynamic. Exhale completely and moving to the ring finger. The ring finger is dynamic because it harmonizes our lung energy. And when we open up the lungs or open up the breath, that's when healing occurs. So the ring finger is good for everything. For any project you have, you can hold the discomfort and your ring finger. You can hold your ring finger like this with this mudra. Feeling for the pulsation and then moving to the little finger. So you see how we can move through it fairly quickly. In 8 minutes we will have covered all. We will have practiced our 36 breaths and worked through all the depths. So all we need really is our fingers, right? So the little finger, again, being authentic, no efforting. When we effort, for example, if you're in yoga class and you take a headstand and you're trying really hard, you cannot find a balance. It's important to create a balance effortlessly. It's effortless reality, right? Another one of Mary Burmeister's quotes. Effortless reality, so we can meditate on that. And then lastly, the palm of the hand, 3 more breaths. You can place your palms together like this, prayer position, or hold it like this, or however it feels comfortable for you. So I will end our Wellness Wednesday here today. Thank you all so much for joining. Share the fingers with a friend. Anybody can practice the art of jinshin, and it all starts with the fingers and the breath. Have a wonderful day.